If your PlayStation 4 isn't connecting to the internet, I'm going to show you step by step how to fix this problem once and for all. But make sure to watch the video from start to finish and follow the whole process, because I'm going to show you exactly what to do right now. Let's get started, guys. First of all, you're going to go into settings, right? Go into settings. The next option you need to select is network. Now, go to the option Set up Internet Connection. Click on this option, and here it will give you the choice between Wi-Fi and LAN cable, right? In my case, since I'm using Wi-Fi, I'm going to select the Wi-Fi option. I'm going to go with select the second option, which is Custom. Go into Custom, and if you're not connected to the network yet, guys, you'll need to connect to your network. I'm going to connect here, okay? After you enter your password, just press R2 on your controller and hit OK below. Now it's going to start loading the next page, right? Wait for it to configure this connection. Alright, guys. Here, you're going to select this option, Automatic, Do Not Specify. And for DNS settings, you're going to choose Manual. For the primary DNS, I'm going to enter 8.8.8.8. Press R2, done. And now I'm going to enter the secondary DNS, which is 8.8.4.4. You press R2, right? And then go to Next. For the MTU setting, set it to automatic, and for the proxy server, select Do Not Use. Alright, the setup is complete. Now I'm going to run a test here to see if everything's back to normal, okay? I'm going to test the connection here and let's see if it's already working on my PS4. Alright guys, it's set up and already working, right? So that's it everyone. If it worked for you, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friend who's having this problem. And on the end screen, guys, I'll leave 2 videos for you. Click on one of them and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, see you next time, I'm out.